the winner take all event. Racing just restarted. We have Diamond Duchess very quickly restored. Moving upon the outside instant. In the portion comes Pandemonium. Alice's Choice comes next. Then followed by Sweet Talk. Friends for Never, New Golden City. While Angie Gray is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Pandemonium by Lenkani Hapa. Vergara in second. Diamond Duchess is down in third. Alongside comes Instant Sweet Talk. Then followed away by Alice's Choice. Next online Friends for Never, New Golden City. While Angie Gray is still racing in ninth. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Pandemonium by about 3 lengths. Vergara in second. Moving upon the outside, Diamond Duchess. Then followed away by Alice's Choice. Then moving up now is New Golden City. Sweet Talk, Friends for Never. Angie Gray comes next. Well, Instant now running at the tail of the field. Another part turn. The lead now belongs to Vergara. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Diamond Duchess. New Golden City comes next. Sweet Talk, Angie Gray, Alice's Choice as they swing for home. Vergara, Lenkani Hapa, Diamond Duchess in second. New Golden City in the middle with about 100 meters of the race. We have Vergara followed by New Golden City. Moving upon the outside, Diamond Duchess, and finally it's Vergara, New Golden City, Sweet Talk. Then comes Diamond Duchess, Angie Gray, and Friends for Never for your Pentatecta.